Hi. A lot of people started investing last year, some of this year, and there has been a lot of growth on these apps which provide a platform for investment. So this video is going to serve as a review come startup guide for one of those apps, Robinhood. Robinhood, the mobile-only online brokerage that disrupted the financial technology industry by charging commission-free trades, was launched in December 2014 with a waitlist of about 500,000. Company founders Vladimir Tenev and Baiju Bhatt, Stanford physics graduates, believed that Robinhood would motivate a new generation of financial investors with their mobile platform. Robinhood's goal is to make investing in financial markets more affordable, more intuitive, and more fun no matter how much experience you have or don't have. It is super easy getting started with Robinhood. Fill a couple of forms, answer a couple of questions about you, like age, which should be at least 18 years, or residency, which should be in the US, only US accepted, valid address, which is again only US accepted, SSN, which kind of got me skeptical for a bit. But then later I realized that this is a trading platform and they will take some of this information. And also later I found out that they encrypt these social security numbers so that these are not available to hackers. Once you have logged in, verified your email and claimed your free stock. Oh wait, did I forget to give you information about the free stock? So the first time you sign up, you can get a free stock share valued between $2.50 and $200 if you sign up with the referral link provided in the description. And remember, you have to use this link before you get the app and sign up. So you'll have to actually use the link before you start putting in details and signing up. You can say that I will get the free stock as well, but if you don't use the link, you won't get the free stock either. And obviously, you can find another YouTuber whose referral you would prefer to use. But if you're here already watching this video, what's the harm in using this referral? So once you've logged in, verified your email, and claimed your free stock, you can start exploring the app. The main screen will show you a graph, maybe some watch list options, and then at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a couple of screen selection options. The first one keeps you at the main screen. The second one takes you to cash management, which we can talk about later. The third one is what you use to browse stocks that you want to look for. You can either look for them using the ticker symbol or the name of the stock. Now, Robinhood does let you invest in stocks, options, or ETFs with no commissions or fees. Oh, and this is where I say investing involves risk, including the loss of capital. Investors should consider their investment objectives and risks carefully before investing. I am not giving any investment advice in this video, and even if I do, I am not a licensed professional and I cannot be held responsible for what you invest in. Now, with stocks, options, and ETFs, Robinhood also lets you invest in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, altcoin, Ethereum. Currently, it only lets you invest in like 7 types of cryptocurrencies, and it has some others available which you can view the market data of. Now, you can say app is okay, but I'm not really an app person. I'd rather prefer if they had a website where it would be easy for me to sign up and open on my work from home office or home office setup. I'd say look up Robinhood.com. The website is an exact copy of the app. It gives you the same information, if not more, in pretty much the same way. Me personally, I use the website more than the app. And by the way, we're just getting started with Robinhood. Once you start trading, you start getting notifications of the trades that you make or that the app makes for you. This is also available in the Messages tab, which is, by the way, at the bottom of the screen, the 4th tab. I like that these messages are grouped by stock. So like all information related to the stock Apple, let's say, like when you submitted your first order or bought the first stock or when you received the last dividend is all available in the messages titled Apple, which I think is very convenient. Their ordering is also based on the latest trade. So if Apple had the latest update for you, then it'll show at the top. But what if I want to look for something that happened a year ago with a stock that I haven't touched since? Or what if I have so many stocks that it becomes difficult for me to look for the stock group? And that is one of the issues that I have faced most times with this app. And it has a simple solution. What if you just have a search option in the Messages tab? But it is not. Now, Robinhood does also say that you can set up customized news or notifications and stay on top of your assets as casually or as relentlessly as you like. Controlling the flow of info is up to you, but there are very few customization options available. So, like if I want the information to be sorted by price, can't do that. Or by 52-week high, 52-week low. No. So with Robinhood today, you can start investing with as low as $1. So basically any amount. This happened because Robinhood launched fractional shares about a year ago, I think, which also kind of helps in balancing out your portfolio. Now, obviously, since fractional shares are going to be based on dollar amounts, there's bound to be rounding happening. Robinhood rounds all holdings of a fractional share to the sixth decimal place and the value of fractional shares to the nearest cent, and the dividends paid on the fractional shares also to the nearest cent. Also, remember that fractional shares with your Robinhood account are unrecognized, unmarketable, and illiquid outside of Robinhood. They are not transferable in kind, and they may only be liquidated and proceeds be withdrawn or transferred out. Robinhood also only accepts market orders for fractional shares, and limit orders are not accepted. Now, Robinhood also launched a premium trading platform, Robinhood Gold, in 2016, I think, which offers investors premium features at about a monthly fee of $5. Robinhood Gold gives investors the ability to trade up on margin accounts for up to $1,000, bigger instant deposits, and access to professional research and level 2 market data. In the normal account, you get only $1,000 of instant deposit. If even if you deposit like $2,000, only 1,000 of those are available at the time, and very limited research and market data are available. You can also take a 30-day trial to test out the premium features, but to open, you need a minimum balance of $2,000. Now, you should also note that Robinhood's day trading minimum balance requirement is way higher, $25,000. And well, day trades are rather limited with Robinhood. You can only do like 3 day trades per week. In the issues with the app, we already talked about there being very less customization options available. Also, even though I say that trading is no cost at all on the app, and part of it is true that there is no commission or fee, but there are regulatory fee which Robinhood doesn't readily inform of. Also, because most prices are rounded off to the nearest penny. Like they have TAF of 0.000119 for every share sold, or 0.002 for every option sold. Then there is recurring trading available for stocks, options, and ETFs, which is good. But it's kind of annoying to work without recurring trading on crypto, especially for people who are more into dollar cost averaging. And then coming to the aspect of privacy, they already take and store your profile and financial information since it's also a trading platform. Profile information includes identity data, contact data, username, password, preferences, purchases made, survey responses, feedback, etc. etc. Financial data includes your bank account or payment information, account balances, transactions, credit history, credit scores, or tax information. But this is the information you already give to the app. And this is a trading platform, so you will need to give this information. But they also get other information with your permission. Like, did you know that they ask for camera access permissions when you're signing up? This information can be used to monitor, record, and store users' information about you. This is supposed to protect your safety or the safety of other users. I don't know how that works. Or the same way, they also ask for permission to access your contact list. But that also has a legit reason that they ask for that information to give like referrals and referral links for specific people. They also get location information about you. This can be obtained via GPS, Wi Fi, wireless network triangulation, or approximation by IP address. This data is supposed to be there for when you log in from where you're not supposed to be, and then they can alert you about it. And then there's information gathered from other sources like third parties or publicly information data about you. Yeah, sometimes I do want to know what these third parties are. Anyway, I know you want to ask, would I recommend using Robinhood? If you are a beginner in the world of investment, definitely. Most reviews everywhere will say that Robinhood is for beginners and not good for intermediate or above traders or investors. I consider myself a beginner and I get a lot of information through Robinhood and other publicly available finance information through any of the finance apps. And I understand that consolidating information is a pain, but with investing at such a low cost, I think it is worth it. All that said, I would also recommend to keep an eye out for all of those app permissions that the app asks for. Apps try to collect all the information they can about you, and there are just some permissions that should not be given. But that decision is up to you. Thanks for watching. I hope you got something new to learn today, and see you in the next one.